If you approach within 7,000 feet, you will be executed with depraved injustice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, don't worry about it, because I'll make the federal order. Because
Okay.
I've warned
Do you have
you.
any?
On December 3rd, 2025, officers responded to a panic alarm at a White Castle restaurant in Joliet, Illinois, after employees reported a woman had returned to the business after previously being told to leave. When police arrived, they located the 43-year-old woman inside the restaurant and identified her. Authorities determined she had multiple outstanding warrants from another county for failing to appear in court.
All right. So you've been trespassed from here before.
Oh, have I?
Yes.
Because you did not warn me, which is illegal.
Okay. Well, you have been
I was actually
warned.
about to purchase food, but
But you
a
have-
trespass
you
order
have-
has to be sent to me.
No,
immediately.
it does not. So you have
Yes,
been
it does.
you have been
But
trespassed for
once
here. So
again,
you're
you
gonna
have
get a
approached
compliance
Llewellyn
ticket
Gudger.
for trespassing.
Hold on. You have approached Llewellyn Gudger. She is on a do not disturb.
That is so.
999. If you approach within 7,000 feet, you will be executed with depraved injustice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, don't worry about it, because I'll make the federal order. Because
Okay.
I've warned
Do you
your
have
police
ID? Do you have
department
ID on
over and
you?
over again. No, but I'll give you my name.
Okay.
LYNWELLYNGUDGER.
Yeah. Happening.
Okay. Well, you're gonna get a compliance ticket, and that's what's gonna happen. That'll be it, and that's all.
Once you
got
hand me
on your
the
way.
ticket, it's a federal crime.
Okay, that's fine.
That's what she's warning her.
Okay, you can proceed any way you want with that. What's your last name?
Gudger. G-U-D-G-E-R.
G-U-D.
G-U-D-G-E-R. I might add, the moment that I walked in here, they had already called you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because you've been previously trespassed.
No,
and that's
they had
what I
already
told
called you, because I walked in here 4 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
Well,
called
they
you
said
before I walked in here, because you planned this.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your first name?
LYNWELLYN.
35.
L-Y-N-W-E-L-L-Y-N.
Drive 1404 West Hampton.
Do you have a middle
Give
initial?
a call.
Do you have anything with your name on it? Have you lived in Illinois your whole life? Like, where's your last ID that you've had? Are you gonna answer? Don't make this more difficult than it needs to be.
Your question is stupid.
Is it?
You're
is it
running my
stupid?
name retard.
Okay.
You'll find that out.
Yeah.
Okay. So did you give me a fake name?
Excuse me?
Did you give me a fake name?
Did I give you a fake name?
Yeah.
Okay, well, now you have to read Miranda, dumbass. You asked about a crime.
You don't know anything. Okay.
Don't know anything about what?
Yeah.
Just gave
Well,
me my
you're-
fucking
first
name,
off, you're
stupid.
saying
My
I can't
face
be
will be on
within
it,
7,000
stupid.
feet,
Go to your
so-
car and look at it.
Okay. Yeah. Why do you keep coming back if they keep calling the police on you?
I don't know what the you're talking about, but they called the police before I got in here.
Because you have been trespassed from the
They
property.
called the
You can't
police
even be.
before I got in here.
Yes, you can't
They had
even be
already
in the
called
parking
you
lot.
before I walked in.
Yeah.
You can't even be in the
I bet
parking
you
lot.
any money that y'all planned this.
Yeah.
Yeah, we definitely
No,
planned this. This is
no, you
definitely
did.
what
No,
I
you
wanna do
did.
with-
But you did plan it.
This is definitely what I want to
No,
do
you
with my
did.
day.
No, you did.
It's you
Yeah.
coming here all the time.
You called the police 2 hours before I got the here.
Yeah.
I called.
No.
25.
You? Because you've been following me up and down the street.
Yeah.
Listen now.
Let's just detain her for now.
Do not detain.
Okay.
25. I don't know.
You need Miranda for a detention, because I don't know what you're detaining me for.
What event, but
10-4.
Well, we suspect you to have a warrant out of Cook County
Excuse me?
for criminal trespass. So we're gonna detain you for now.
Victim 25 additional 43.
We're gonna take this off.
Excuse me?
We're gonna take this off.
I don't have any criminal warrants. I don't want to do. I'm
Okay,
gonna
well,
do not
Staff at
disturb.
White Castle
gonna-
called November 26th. Female black woman green.
Don't.
In the front.
No,
In
no,
the
we're not
front.
gonna
Where
do
you're
this.
supposed to. In the front. In the front. You know, you heard me? This is an assault. I'm gonna do not disturb. You will be executed.
Stop resisting.
In the front. In the front. In the front. Stop trying to break my arm, motherfucker. Stop trying to break my arm.
One detained is 2211. From
You also failed some red bags before arrest.
You're detained right now.
You can't arrest, you can't lock me up for detention, nor put me in cuffs, stupid ass.
Well, if you know so better, then you should be happy.
I'm gonna do not disturb.
Because if we that means that's good for you, right?
Yeah, you need that back.
Then why are you angry? You should be happy that we're
It's a detention. No.
Well, is she in custody for, well, the whatever?
Just pat her
Pat her
down, I
down.
guess, for now. But
the name she gave has a warrant.
Yeah. We're just not getting an SOS?
So it's either she's getting.
There's no file or anything attached to her? It's annoying. Where do you stay? Where would you have an ID out of? Where were you born?
If she gave me the wrong name, she's in custody.
Piece of shit.
so, I mean,
The woman was charged with criminal trespass in resisting a peace officer, along with the outstanding warrants. She was processed by police and transported to the Will County Jail. Authorities confirmed she was released from custody the following morning. No bond amount or court disposition was specified in the report. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.